Asabe my selection, shine intro nyana ngithola.
Ngiyazama ukuhlanganisa ngapha nangapha ngigcine ngicela kusomandla kuthi angipha amandla kuze ngikwazi ukunqoba izitha umculi iphupho lami mase ngirhyma ngiya-inspire ngibonga kumdali nali talent ewangipha kuze ngikwazi ukunifundisa bathi isimo sinzima uNkulunkulu uzokucula manje senginelithemba liphupho lami lizofezeka lona umbongiza small intwana ephuma empumalanga ngiyazama ngawonke amandla yabona ngiyaziphandela noma ngabe lizama ukungivimba akuvumi
bathe ngiyazama bathe ngiyaphansa akuvumi ngibathe ngiyabamba ngibathe ngiyazama akuvumi akuvumi ngeliphupho lami akuvumi akuvumi ngeliphupho lami akuvumi.
Exe bafethu, it's still your boy Max khona la eziyawa Tavern la eKabhokweni 1245 eMpumalanga Ayethu TV sikhona la sihostile lendo bafethu. We are doing it. Banaka, tell the people who you are.
Yeah. Lona umbongiza smaller on the ones and two.
Umbongiza smaller.
Yeah. What else do you want to know about me, guys?
What I want to know about you is why are you here today on this event?
Man, I'm here today to entertain, you see. I'm here today.
Are you a rapper or an actor or a presenter? Who are you?
I'm all genre star.
All genre star?
Yeah.
So you can do reggae, you can rap, you can also sing?
Everything, man. I'm doing everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
You say, what's your name?
Mbongiza Smaller.
Mbongiza Smaller,
aka Mbongeni Khoza, from Escotini Production, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mbongeni Khoza. You know who I am? My real name? Mtolisi Khoza lo wena. Okay, sizokhuluma behind the stage. Ekuseba mfethu. Solo kusase busy khona la kuImpumalanga Ayethu TV. Buka ngithole Ntombita ngakhazini wami kaKhoza lo mnaka uthi yena ubusy nga onke ama genre. Sho ukuthi we can see what's happening with him khona lapha stage ekuseba mfethu.
Awungasabi, stay tuned for more. Ungasabi kubusy kakhulu. I'm gonna entertain guys. Shout out to everyone.
Hola.